What up everyone, my name is Nightrow and today I'm gonna be doing a new unboxing video now. Unlike last time, I only did one unboxing video. For this one, I'm gonna be doing two unboxing. And two are the ones from what I said on the last video, I think it was. Where I said if Shion or any of the other character ever comes out in their, for the Demon Lord costumes or whatever from the town Gamin kind of does a slime, then I will get them and do an unboxing video. Probably get closer to the microphone. So, I finally got another figure plus an extra one because the store had both of them. So, for this video, I'm gonna be unboxing both Shion and Veldora. From they were both made by. Well, this one doesn't tell me anything. But either way, this one was made by Espresto, the same people who made the Demon Lord remove figure that I unboxed a while back. So, I think I'm gonna be unboxing first the Veldora figure. Then we're gonna be leaving Shion for last week. He looks the best. First, I'm gonna show you guys how the box looks like. Should probably open up the thing here so I can see it. So there's the front, if I'm correct. There's the side, well, the right side. And there's the left. And then there's the back. Now let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Dang, I should have, whatever. I'll have to keep an eye on the video itself. So let's go ahead. I already took off some of the stuff from here except for the plastic. So, ooh. So here are the parts for Veldora, and I think it comes with a stand. I think I'm not too sure. And of course, as usual, it comes in a really long plastic bag. So, I'm really excited for this. It's been a long ass time since I've done an unboxing. So, okay, so I was right. This is like a thing to hold. I think this is like to hold up the tail. Considering how it looks and everything, I think this is for the tail. Except the tail itself. Let's see, I'm trying to see if I can find where exactly the part lasts. Maybe this is the leg, like for the leg, so I can hold up. Because I highly doubt the tail will need any supports. Now for the wings. Well, one of the wings. This is like, I think this is the left side of the wing. Now for the next, oh, one of the wings already broke out. And it's because it's really pointy, I guess. And now for the main body. Oh, I was expecting like Veldora to be a little bit bigger than this. It's gonna be like, he's gonna look so small compared to the Rimuru figure. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell like the different size. Like, by comparing them. And damn, he is really pointy. Okay, let's go ahead and put on the tail. So that's how you go. Oh, let's gotta do a little struggle there to actually get him. That actually hurts. There we go. And there he is, Veldora and also his dragon glory. I also saw that on the Crunchyroll rep website, they were selling the human for Veldora for 29.99, I think. Now, I'm thinking of eventually getting that version, but the question is, will it be available by the time I'm able to buy it, though? Now, where does the other side? I have no clue where this goes. I think it goes in like in between the leg and the tail. I don't know. I'm not even sure. Considering it literally goes just fine without this, I don't think it needs a stand to begin with. Okay, so now that Veldora is out of the way, I don't know if you guys can, well, you can still see like his head and wings. Let's go ahead and move on to Shion. Israel is, yeah, okay, still recording the voice, my voice. And of course, this one has tape. Gotta use a just to open. I forgot why they had to make it such a long. But yeah, before we go ahead and show you guys how the box looks from the front, sides, and back. Here is. I'm doing a terrible job here. Here's the front, the left side, the right side, and the back. Now let's go ahead and do this. Pretty excited for this. There we go. The good thing she has her own stand. Every figure should have a stand. It's just a basic round shaped base, stand or whatever, however you want to call it. And here is her head. Gotta be careful. Here's her head. I don't think you can see her face that well because of the freaking brightness. I really need to get something better for recording type of things. And now her body. Her body is literally in one piece. Surprisingly. I think Rimuru had like a couple pieces separated from her. But here is her body. Feels like her coat can come off. Is wonder, can I should probably turn off the ring lamp on. Go ahead and turn it off now. Damn, that is tough. Okay, I think that's a good enough brightness for the figure itself. So here is how she looks. I really need a, I mean, I already got a ring lamp, but I don't know the proper brightness for it. Let me show you her head again. And the brightness and all. Okay, let's go ahead and put it. And there we go. Yeah. Shion in her new outfit for the next season. Not sure when it will come out, but I'm really excited for it. I already finished watching the newest season. It came out a while back. Over there. Okay, why do they make it like this? Like it's not even the proper shape. What the heck? Like they made the pegs for the stand round while they made like the shape of the holes on the stand like to get this one it went in just fine. Let's just struggle. What the heck? They really did a terrible way in designing. One goes in just fine. But, wait, never mind. There we go. I had on the wrong side. Oh crap! What the heck happened? I literally just put it on the wrong side. Never mind. I was wrong. Did it right. Oh, there she is. I really wish I had better setup. So there they are. Both Shion from the newest season of the time I got reincarnated as a slime with her new outfit and everything. I was really looking forward to this, especially ever since I saw her in the like in the promotional stuff for the season. I really like that design of hers. And here is Veldora, I guess. Veldora Tempest. I don't know the box says otherwise, but there he is. Here's Shion again. Hopefully, I'll be able to get Shuna and human form Veldora, or maybe Benimaru. If they ever release a figure of Benimaru in his like general outfit or whatever, or any of the other characters for the new season that might come out at some point. Anyways, uh, besides this unboxing, I wanted to do an announcement. I decided that instead of streaming on Twitch because I've been streaming there for a while, like mostly this entire year, but it hasn't gone anywhere. So I decided that I should just start streaming on YouTube, like I did before. So tomorrow I'm gonna be at this point once I upload this, it's gonna be today. So later on tonight, I'm gonna be streaming Pokemon Brilliant Diamond, even though I've been uploading the majority of my streams from Twitch. I decided to start streaming it on YouTube, except for Final Fantasy Final Fantasy 14 because I've been streaming that on Twitch and I haven't been able to upload every single part of my playthrough of that game. Mostly because currently I'm in Stormblood and uploading wise I'm still in Realm Reborn, so it's gonna take me a while just to be able to upload all that. Plus I wanted to do some extra stuff on the channel. Well, playthroughs, like I wanna do streams, but like I still wanna do something short every once in a while for my channel. Anyways, that's all I gotta say for now. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.